Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Witch's Bounty box from June 2022. This box was gifted to me, but the opinions are my own. Oh, beautiful. It says Amulet of the Forest. So excited. This is absolutely just beautiful. She looks like Pocahontas. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Disney's Pocahontas, not traditional Pocahontas, who was just a 12-year-old baby. 6 cents. Like a musky smell. A brown candle. I would like a really rich chocolatey brown. It's very like yummy. Black quartz. It says fruit of the gods. Smells a little sweet. We've got what appears to be a tiger's eye, but let's check it out. Yes, pitty, tiger's eye. Okay, let's get all the dairy bulbs put up and out of the way. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, pretty. Interesting. Hold on now. It says sterling silver pendant and tiger's eye, and it's like a pentagram with twigs and like a staff or something. Let's read about this. We can often find ourselves overwhelmed by the countless tasks and deadlines that are always pressing against our consciousness. This system of chaos pushes us towards inaction and inability, and can lead to tasks becoming incomplete or not touched at all. As practitioners, we rely on specific energies to focus our intentions towards manifesting our desired outcomes, providing us with clarity of thought and sharpness of purpose. This practice and natural instinct allows us to truly overcome anxiety and eagerness, so that we may bask in the essence of achievement and completion. In this very special collection, we pull together a very powerful set of tools that allow us to stay grounded and balanced during life's most challenging moments. Pentacle and Branch Tiger Eye Pendant. A member of the quartz family, and is considered a chatoyant gemstone. In Chinese folklore, the tiger protects the good from evil. Let me see what it says. It can allow us to permeate common confidence during any situation. We have included a pentacle to the bale of this pendant, symbolizing power and protection, as well as being recognized as one of the most relevant and meaningful symbols in spirit work and communication. It's also a symbol of a branch. So, we've got a big, beautiful, double terminated tiger's eye with a pentacle and a branch. Very cool. 6 cents magical anointing oil. Jasmine, sweet orange, cedarwood, and vanilla, as well as mandrake root, motherwort, and sage herbs. Fruit of the Gods ritual incense stick. Earthbound hand roll spell candle. Balance and understanding into the pressing realities of this world. Tumbled eye tiger stone. Or tumbled tiger eye stone. Oh my god. I'm tired. Tiger's Eye Goddess Book of Shadows artwork. It's absolutely beautiful. And it says it again. Do not make copies, not for resale. All right. So this is absolute stunner. Very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably my favorite thing, but this is actually quite lovely. It's a little bit big for me to wear as an amulet, but I'm trying to think of different ways. Like for me, I think as like a center of maybe a wall hanging or a dream catcher, or on an altar or something are the thoughts that I'm thinking. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.